Here's our boat coming out of Manchester Bay. We'll walk you down the side and show you the boat. Going down some stairs. Here's the kitchen. That's our galley. Luggage storage area. There's our navigation desk.
Okay.
We gotta do a lot of plotting and stuff from place to place. Here's where we all kind of slept last night. Just kind of moved our bags and slept there. There's 4 or 5 of us in this main berth. And then we have a table that kind of folds up. Kind of comes up. It's buckled in right now. Here's the forward berth where Gretchen is staying, but you can kind of see the, you know, the layout. Like cabinets and desk area. Then we have the bathroom, which is also a shower. There's a toilet, air vent. Then if you had to take a shower, which don't recommend it, but this is a removable shower. So that's that. As you can see, we're underway. Lots of room here on board Melissa in Boston 77.